Hello, my English is the tutor. My name is Jeffrey Lopez, and today I'm going to talk about how much is the iron activity. Okay, let's start. This is Amazon. Amazon is a vast internet enterprise that sells books, toys, electronics, and many others that you can buy and enjoy. Let's start. This is a air fried toaster oven. How much is this item? Is 199. Okay, let's continue. This is a phone tripod with wireless remote and phone holder. How much is this item? Is 16 and 99. Okay, this is a smart security camera. I I have I have a smart security camera of my home. I like it. Okay, how much is this smart security camera? It's 29 and 99. Let's continue. This is a true wireless earbud Bluetooth headphone. How much is this item? It's 26 and 99. Okay, this is a compact mini dishwasher. How much is this item? It's 319 and 99. Let's continue. This is a smartphone, Samsung Galaxy. How much is this item? 110 and 49. Okay, this is a 80 touch screen laptop. How much is this item? It's 184 and 99. This are a speaker for desktop or laptop PC. How much is this item? It's 14 and 99. This is a blender with glass heart. How much is this item? It's 69 and 68. Okay, this is a smart Full HD TV. It's 227 and 99. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.